Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm very excited to be back. I've been wanting to do something for a very long time. I just hadn't had the chance to do it last summer because the truck was too much fun to drive. I didn't want to take it off the road, but I'm going to be painting my rims black. And for all the new people on the channel, here's what the rims looked like before. They are Vision Torque 143 wheels. You can only get them in a gray finish, which it doesn't look bad, but it just doesn't really match or suit the truck as much as black would, I think. So I'm going to be painting them. It's going to look really good. I'm very excited to get started. So let's dive right in, start sanding. Sandblasting the rims with baking soda. I'm super pumped how the wheels turned out. They look incredible. I can't wait to see them on the truck. I'm gonna have to get the wheels balanced before I can install them, but I'll get that done as soon as possible because I can't wait to see them installed. But the paint job it came out incredible. It looks so good. The center caps came out amazing as well. I'm gonna get a sticker made that either has the Chevy logo or Chevrolet lettering in a satin or matte finish. So it'll kind of be hidden. You'll have to really look to see it, but it's going to be a nice little detail once it's done. I also got some aluminum wheel spacers made. The reason you see 6 is because I actually am looking for 3/4 inch in front. So 2 will go on each side in the front, and in the back it's just 1/2 inch thick plates, so 1/2 inch in the back on each side. I'm gonna get these machined so they'll have a factory finish instead of these jagged edges. They were just cut with a bandsaw, so they're not really precise, but they'll be exactly the same each one, and it'll look better because you can actually see them a little bit when they're installed on the truck. If any one of you guys are looking to buy these Vision Torque wheels and are looking to install them on your C10, you are going to need some longer wheel studs, especially if you are looking to get some wheel spacers. But even if you don't have wheel spacers, you need longer wheel studs. So that's just a little heads up. I really want to put my wheels on right now, but first I'm gonna clean up the calipers and the hubs of all the brake dust so it'll shine and look really good once I got those painted wheels on. I got the wheels balanced today. I just installed them on the truck. They look incredible on the truck. I'm gonna roll it outside and I'll show you guys what it looks like. The truck's been sitting in storage for a few months now, so hopefully it fires up. I'm sure it will with the fuel injection system, but let's see. The wheels look awesome on the truck. It doesn't even look like the same wheel. It changes the whole look. I love it. It's unbelievable. They turned out amazing. I'm super pumped. I also got a back bumper chrome, which I'll be installing very soon. And I also got a rug for the interior. The new rug's gonna look good, new bumper. I can't wait to take it up for a spin. The salt's almost gone off the road.